Good morning, students. Now I want to explain about the percentage of alkanes. What percentage they will form? If you take propane in chlorination, they will. This is the primary carbon. If in case of secondary carbon attached to this chlorine, here primary carbon attached to chlorine. This is 45%. This is 55%. What basis this is decide the percentage? Tertiary. This is secondary carbon if it is primary carbon free radical. This is 5% contribute. This is 3.8. This is 1. This is the contribution of carbons. If it is, this is primary, secondary carbon containing tertiary carbon. Proportion of secondary carbon. Here secondary carbon. Secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon attached. This is 2 into how much? 3.8. Total 7.6. This is primary carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 6 into 1. That's total 1. 3, 3, 6. Here CH2. That's why 2 into 3.8. 7.6. Primary is 6 into 1. 6. The percentage of secondary carbon, that is formation, secondary carbon free radical formation, that is how much? 7.6 by total. This total 13.6 into 100. That is equal to 55%. In case of percentage of primary carbon, that is 6 by 13.6 into 100. How much percent? 45%. This is 45%. This is 55%. This is the major. Based on this, we can get the percentage selectivity or reactivity. But in case of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine is highly reactive. They will form primary. Bromine and iodine, they will form highly secondary carbon. That is bromine and iodine, they will form selectively goes to the most stable carbon free radical. But in case of chlorine, may get confused. That's why based on this we can form it. In this case also, you can write bromine. Bromine is selective, that is tertiary, that is bromine is 100%, like this, more stable, no question of it. But in case of chlorine, this is primary is 42%, secondary 35%, tertiary is 25%. How to get this one? What biases they will calculated? This is discussed in the next one. But in case of bromine also, tertiary is 16,000%, 1600, then secondary 82, primary 1. More selective. That's why they will more stable, will be the highest form will form. But in case of chlorine, that is different. Thank you, students.